Hey everyone, today we are going to learn 10.4 box and whisker plots. Hey, so what are you doing? You will be drawing and analyzing box and whisker plots. So this is kind of like another way to represent data. So far, I already taught you guys how to draw dot plots. There's some bar graphs, some, what is that called? Stem and leaf plots, and also histograms. So box and whisker plots is another way to represent numbers, how to represent data. Okay, so it's very easy. Literally, to make a box and whisker plot, you're going to draw a box and then like a couple whiskers popping out. So let's say that you have, I kind of survey a couple of people and I go, hey, how many DVDs do you have? A person says, I have 25, I have 31, 27, 36, so on and so forth. To make a box and whisker plot, the first thing you need to do is you have to organize these numbers from least to greatest, from least to greatest. Okay, once I have this, you're going to find the quartiles, quartile 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully you guys remember this from chapter 9. So the first quartile I look for is quartile 2, which is the median, the middle number. The median, the quartile 2, is going to be right here. It's going to be 27. In between 27 and 27 is 27. Now I want to find quartile 1, which is the middle of the middle. So it's going to be right here. It's going to be 23, because in between 22 and 24, if you find the average, it's 23. Now let's find quartile 3. It's going to be right here. In between 30 and 31, that's 30.5. Okay, now that I have my quartiles 1, 2, and 3, I can draw my box. I'm going to draw a line at 23. So here I go. 23 is right here. So draw a line. I'm going to draw a line at 27. So draw a line right here. And then I'm going to draw a line at 30.5, which is going to be right here. Okay, I'm going to make it into a box. Done. Now I need to draw the whiskers. The whiskers are going to be the lowest number. So the lowest number right here is 19. So I'm going to put a little dot at 19. And then the other whisker is going to be at the very, very highest number, which is 36. Okay, once you have the two dots there, draw a line, draw a line. Hey, look, you're done. That's it. So let me do it one more time. You're going to line up the numbers from least to greatest. And then you're going to find quartile number 2. Find quartile number 1. Find quartile number 3. You're then going to draw the lines at 23. 27, and 30.5. You're going to draw the whiskers at the lowest number, 19, and then the highest number, 36. Boom, right there. Okay, so just letting you know, this portion right here, this quartile right here is 25% of the data, not 25% of the length, 25% of the data is here. This is 25% right here, 25% of the data. This is also 25%, and this is also 25%. Oh, but Mr. Chen, this whisker looks so long. No, no, no. It's 25% of the data. That's why it's all equal parts right here. Okay? All right. Now, if we want to describe the shape, we can say this is symmetric because, you know, from left to right, it looks pretty symmetrical. It's the same on the left, same as the right. And then, finally, if you want to write a description about this, you can say that the data is evenly spread out. Okay, let's take a look at example number 2. Which beach has more people? So if you take a look at these two box and whisker plots, this is beach 1 right here, the blue one, and beach 2, this is the red one. So which one has more people? What do you think? Okay, I know. Some of you guys are thinking, oh, beach 2, because it has this whisker all the way at 150. No, that's wrong. It's actually beach 1. Why? Because if you take a look at the box is more to the right compared to the box right here, the red box right here. That means that most of the data is more on the right. There's more people in beach 1. Okay, let's take a look at letter B. For beach 1, what percent was the attendance 100 and higher? So right here, you see this is 100 right here. You see how this is 25% and this is 25%. So the percent that of 100 and higher is going to be 50% because 25 plus 25 is 50. But wait a minute, take a look at beach 2. You see, it says what percent was the attendance 100 and higher? Over here, this is a little bit different. It only shows the whisker right here from 100 on. This is going to be only 25%. Okay, hopefully that was pretty easy to understand. So one more time, each section is going to be 25% of the data, 25% of the data, 25% of the data. Okay, all right. And then if you were to summarize, you can say the data for beach 2 is more spread out. Okay, hopefully that was easy for you. So one more time, to make a box and whisker plot, you need to find the quartiles, find the lowest number, and then the highest number. That's it. Okay, see you guys in the next video.